Okay, listen up. We're doing something crazy today. We're inviting a secret guest, an AI expert who knows everything there is to know about Midjourney, Leonardo, ChatGPT, and Runway. Today, he's going to show you how to learn any AI tool in just 5 minutes. So let's begin. Oh, wait, the phone is ringing, and everyone knows this person, one of the most famous names in AI. The call is through. Hey, Ben, my brother, it's been a while. I need your expert opinion for my audience today. And believe me, this one is very important.
Hey, Amorphix, I love all of your videos, man. So, what can I do to help your audience today? What are we going to dive into this time?
Hey, Ben, thank you. You know how quickly AI is changing. Every day there are new tools, but a lot of people feel lost. They don't know where to start, how to learn, or even which tool to use first. So, today, I want you to tell me your secret, the one trick you use to learn any AI tool in just 5 minutes. Because my audience is ready to take things to the next level, and they need that secret method that only you can share.
Okay, let's get this done. In 3 easy steps, I'll show you how I break down any AI tool from Leonardo to ChatGPT to Runway. Are you ready?
Born ready, brother. Let's teach them the real power of AI. You said that anyone could learn how to use an AI tool in only 5 minutes. Let's see if your way really works.
Step 1. Learn the surface. Don't be afraid of the interface. Just look around and click every button once. AI tools are like people in that they can talk. You only need to learn the beat.
Okay, interface explored. Brushes, models, settings, and more are all here. What comes next?
Step 2. Get the logic. Think about what kind of input this tool needs and what kind of output it makes. You figured out its mind now.
All right, I'm writing my first prompt. Sequence of futuristic self-driving car on Neon Highway AI Doctor, analyzing golographic X-ray stocks. Charts glowing with AI predictions. Ultra-detailed visuals. Let's see what happens. Whoa, that's insane. This looks like a movie poster.
Told you. Step 3. Refine the result. Don't settle for the first try. Adjust the lighting, style, or composition. That's where true mastery begins.
Man, you weren't kidding. I just learned Leonardo AI faster than I learned how to use my phone camera.
Must exactly. Once you know the pattern, every AI tool becomes your playground. Hey, Amorphix, you know what? Just like in real life, the more you use AI tools, the better you get at having fun with them. Don't just use them. Play with them. Try new things and make things. It's not a challenge. It's an adventure. Let's do this one more time, my friend. 1. Get to know the interface. 2nd, understand the logic. 3rd, improve the results. Learn these 3 things and you'll never be afraid of any AI tool again.
Ben, that was totally amazing, bro. I think everyone here just figured out that learning AI isn't hard. You just need to have the right attitude. And you know what, Ben? Next time, I want you to come on our platform and show us how to use an AI tool in real time. What do you think? Let's make it happen for the audience.
Haha, absolutely yes, brother. Let's do it. Next time, we'll go hands-on and show your audience real AI magic.
Okay, Ben, that was awesome. Thanks for being here today, bro. But before you leave, I want the comments to be taken over by the Amorphix Army. Please write your thoughts in the space below. Let us know if you want Ben to come back for another AI masterclass. Let's make sure he knows how strong this group is. See you all in the next one. Until then, keep making things and growing because the future belongs to those who learn with AI.